Today I'll show you how to set up the 1.1.1.1 DNS server on Windows 10 and 11. This DNS service is provided by Cloudflare and it's popular because it's fast, secure and privacy focused. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your computer using 1.1.1.1 for DNS lookups, which can help speed up browsing and improve reliability when loading websites. We'll do everything from the standard Windows settings, so you don't need any extra software or advanced knowledge. Just follow along carefully and pause the video if you need to. First, we need to open the Network Connections window, which is where Windows keeps the detailed settings for your network adapters. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. This opens a small run box, usually in the bottom left corner of your screen. In that box, type ncpa.cpl, then press enter on your keyboard. Don't worry about what that means. It's just a shortcut command that tells Windows to open the classic Network Connections control panel. After a second or two, you'll see a window with a list of your available network connections. These might include Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and possibly other adapters. Look for the connection you are currently using to access the internet. If you're on a laptop, that's usually Wi-Fi. On a desktop connected with a cable, it's typically Ethernet. You can often tell which one is active because it won't be grayed out and it may say connected under its name. Next, we're going to open the properties for that active connection. Right-click on your active Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection, and from the menu that appears, select Properties. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Yes to continue. This Properties window is where we can adjust networking options, including which DNS server your computer uses. Inside the Properties window, you'll see a list of items used by this connection. Scroll through that list until you find Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. This is the setting that controls IPv4 network behavior, which is what most connections still rely on for DNS. Click once on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4, to highlight it and then click the Properties button just below the list. A new window will open specifically for IPv4 settings. Near the top, you'll see two sections, one for IP addresses and one for DNS servers. We're going to focus only on the DNS section, so you don't need to touch the IP address settings if they are already working. Look for the option labeled Use the following DNS server addresses. By default, many systems are set to obtain DNS server addresses automatically from your router or internet provider. To use 1.1.1.1 instead, select Use the following DNS server addresses. This will activate the boxes where you can manually type in the address. In the box labeled Preferred DNS Server, type 1.1.1.1. Make sure you enter it with dots between the ones 1.1.1.1. Take a second to double check that there are no extra spaces or numbers. Once you've entered 1.1.1.1 as the preferred DNS server, click OK to close the IPv4 properties window, then click Close or OK again on the main connection properties window. That's it. You've now set your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC to use the 1.1.1.1 DNS server. Your changes take effect immediately, so any new websites you visit will start using this faster DNS service. If you ever run into issues, you can follow the same steps to go back and select Obtain DNS server address automatically to restore the original settings.